Chiyogata, Stretch and Mobility, 30-minute Wellness Workshop Training. Good morning everyone, my name is Coach Renee. Welcome to Chiyogata, Stretch and Mobility. Today is our first training workshop for our wellness team, so I would like to welcome everyone and thank you for being part of this new journey. This training is not only about learning movements, we are also learning how to guide, communicate, motivate, and create a safe and positive wellness experience for our guests. As future wellness coaches, remember that our role is not simply to demonstrate movements. We are here to help people feel comfortable, confident, energized, and connected with their body. So today, let's learn together, support one another, and enjoy the process. Start. Dynamic movement. We begin with gentle, controlled movements to prepare the body for the session. Purpose. Warm up the muscles and joints. Increase blood circulation. Gradually raise body temperature. Improve mobility and range of motion. Prepare the body for physical activity. Help reduce the risk of injury. Coach Renee. Start slowly and listen to your body. There is no need to rush. Every movement is preparing your body to move better, feel better, and perform better. Movement is the beginning of energy, flexibility, and strength. Strength and lower body control. After preparing and stretching the lower body, we introduce a controlled strength-holding movement. Purpose. Build strength and endurance. Improve balance and stability. Strengthen the muscles around the hips and legs. Improve body control. Support better movement in daily activities. Benefits. Stronger lower body. Better stability. Improved posture and control. Greater confidence in movement. Increased muscular endurance. Coach Renee. Stay strong and breathe. When the body feels challenged, stay focused and controlled. Every second you continue is another step toward becoming stronger. Strength is not only how much you can lift, it is how well you can control your body. Cool down and relaxation. We finish by gradually slowing the body down and bringing our breathing and movement into a relaxed state. Purpose. Help the body transition from activity to relaxation. Relax the muscles. Encourage calm and controlled breathing. Release tension. Develop body awareness. Benefits. Helps you feel relaxed after training. Supports recovery. Reduces feelings of muscular tension. Promotes flexibility. Leaves you feeling refreshed and calm. Coach Renee. Slow your breathing. Relax your body. Feel the movement you have completed today. Be proud that you gave yourself time to move and take care of your health. A healthy body is built one movement at a time. Final motivation for the wellness team. Today is only the beginning of our wellness team journey. We will continue to learn, practice, improve, and support each other. Do not be afraid to make mistakes during training. Mistakes are part of learning. As wellness coaches, we lead by example. Our energy, attitude, communication, and presence can make a difference in someone's wellness experience. Let's build this team with passion, discipline, teamwork, kindness, and positive energy. Move with purpose. Breathe with awareness. Coach with confidence. Serve with heart. Finish with gratitude. Welcome to the wellness team, everyone. I'm Coach Renee, and this is Chiyogata. Move well. Breathe well, live well.
Boom, 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 boom. Keep it in here, inside. Boom, boom. BDP. Look. If you cannot hold this one, then slowly. Imagine you do leg squat like this. Okay. So from here, go. Stay with me. Now stop from this side and then reverse. Look. Go. One. Good. Slowly. And feel. Feel your movement. Okay, shake your body. Sit. 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 And counterclockwise. Go. Good. 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 And then stop. Keep breathing. Stay here for another 30 seconds. Stay for 30 seconds. Yeah. Stay there for 30 seconds. Yeah, for 10 seconds. So after you finish this one, then you will go squat.
So 3 sets of 10 seconds hold.
Yes, sir. Okay, so
Okay.
okay, sir. Ready? Okay. Ready? Up. Relax. Up. Ready? Again, you don't have any heart problem? Ready? Go. Or heartbreak.
1, 2,
Keep balance.
3,
Look up.
4,
Keep breathing.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Now, stretch a little bit here, a little bit stretch.
Okay.
A little bit stretch, guys. A little bit stretch. A little bit stretch. And then down.
1,
Yeah. Go.
4, 5, 6,
Go.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, then back again here. Relax. Hold. Okay. Stay on the side, stay on the side, stay on the side. Then down, counter.
2, 3,
Toes up.
4,
Possible, toes up.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
9,
Unti-unti.
10.
Okay, good job. Shake your body, guys. Okay. Shake. And then the second set. Second set of the squat. Ready? Go. Squat. Corrections.
1, 2,
Look.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, wait, don't,
Wait,
guys,
stretch,
guys,
stretch,
don't stretch. Don't flip. Stretch. Yeah. This will help.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go deeper, guys.
Front. Yeah.
1, 2,
Front.
3,
Okay lang yan sa una, pag hindi kaya.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good. Here again, guys. Side stretch. Oh, count. Next.
1,
Yeah.
2,
Go, count.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go in that side and then stretch. Go in that side and then stretch. Look my hand. Hold my hand like this. And then open it and then close it. Okay? So that is the move. Then number 2, you go like this, open it from here, look my hand, and then up. And then touch. And then sit. And then stand up. Okay? Again, number 2, open your chest. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Bring it here. Then hold for 3 seconds. Good job. Then bend. Bend. A little bit bend your legs. Feel your hamstring. Hold it here. Then when you're raising up, just a little bit squat. And then move like this. Holding the tree. Imagine you're holding the tree and you keep pushing in this one, the side stretch. You're holding the tree and reverse. You can do it this one even 2 sets for every movement. Stretch, okay, and then the triangle, and then the reverse, the Buddha. These are the combinations of these numbers. Warrior, stretch, hold at least 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and then bend, and then Buddha. Sit, sit, and then bring your hands, stretch, look, stretch, stretch, stretch. You can count it by 10 reps. And okay, then after the 10 reps, you go lie down, up and down. You alternate your arms. So this is left and this is right. Arm straight. Good. Look, you count it. Make sure your back are flat. Yan. Concentrate. You can rest. Then after this one, then you bend from here. Look on this side. Look in that side. And then, that's it. Relax.